All right, where was I? Oh yeah, I solved the problem with the gold. The gold is here. I'm about to create the template. Now I remember. So there's a title. There is a subtitle here. Then there is this block called main top. And here we have essentially override main title. And I want to put the blocks here because then I just need to override text, and I cannot control the classes anymore. Which is good, because then I don't have to care. So pretty much like that. So we have this is not called inventory anymore, this is called top. Then we have the navigation, which is pretty much the same on every page. So I actually don't want to implement that in a child template. So I'm just going to leave it, and so there's a smart way on how to set active by checking the current active URL. We don't have those URLs in place, namely pretty much these URLs here with Django names on the here on the right side. So you could refer to them and say, all right, so we're on Django URL about, please make about active. So we're gonna do that in a later stage once we have the concept of pages, because right now we just have static mockups. Then obviously the chat, just gonna be the chat everywhere, so no need to override this. Now we have defined the base template. So I'm gonna extend main base, which is the base template on the right side, and I'm gonna, what happens if I don't put that in a, like, I'm just gonna override content here. Main top. Because then it's pretty much just this block main title and block inventory, block main subtitle, and the amount of gold. Then main top, which is a list of items. And I don't need all that anymore. Alright, so something just disappeared. I don't know what. Oh yeah, the active one. Perfect. So our inventory got much simpler, and we could do the same thing for the map page. So our region is called Lake Town, and we are in the sub-region Meadows. Now I kind of have, don't know whether I should put the whole thing in a card, the whole image. Probably not. Let's see what happens. So this is the content. So this is the field. And this is the minimap. I don't need the rest anymore. Oh, I need the description actually, which can be on the top. It might be a bit restricting. Maybe I just make it possible to override the whole block top part. Main top content. Okay, it actually works. That is very good. So now I just want to override the top, main top, like this. Of course, I need to say inherit from main base. Perfect. This is it. Then we have the same, we're using the same template here for both. What kind of component could I use for this one? It's like a character stats, weapons, equipment, that kind of stuff. Some kind of table maybe. Some kind of table, columns, grid. Could be really boring looking at tables. Excuse me. Is this really responsive? Equipment and some stats. Table foot, maybe something like that. Which component could work? What do I even need? I think I need a simple table with like 2 columns. That's pretty much it. So I have skill, attack, strength, defense. Is it defense or defense with or without D? C. Defense. Right, so it's British versus American. So level. This is attack. Maybe like this. Strength, defense. Then footer could be combat level. Or like, yeah, combat. The health could be derived. It's essentially the sum. You sum attack, strength, and defense, and you get a health. I should look up DnD, like how they are doing it, and just use that system from there. 3, so this would be 7, 10. That makes sense. Then we need some kind of next level, like a progress bar, like progress. XP progress. Then I don't need the last column, probably. This would be 6, 10 out of 7. I'm just making up some numbers. And this could be summed up. Is it actually? No, it's not. Maybe just write it like this, total. XP. Another 10-ish. 20-ish. And here it's actually exactly 170. Here it could be just the sum of everything. And here it's probably the lowest of those. So 170. Something like that. Something really simple. Just checking the chat because I don't trust my app. Okay, this is good enough for the skills. Character. Remember, I need to save space because this is supposed to be mobile first. That's iPhone SE. That works. Ah, looks good. Looking good. So that's the stats actually. That's the stats. Probably more interesting is the equipment. And the equipment is pretty much something for attack, something for defense, and maybe I should add magic already. No, keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. So I can use the space to show some more details for every weapon, every tool we're wearing. So I think it's just gonna be something for attack, something for defense, or left and right hand. Hmm. I think I should have it separately, as in a separate card. How am I doing it with the map? What if I put the minimap into the card as well? Would that be weird? Maybe it's just a list group again. It's a list after all. I like this one better. So I cannot put it in a separate card because it kind of belongs together. I think I want to have one slot per skill. So I want to have like a sword that increases attack. I want to have an amulet that increases strength and defense. A shield that increases defense. Something like that. UL, I don't need it numbered. List group. Yeah, maybe that. Maybe something like that. So we have right hand, neck, left hand, or maybe a helmet. No. Rusty dagger. Crap. Oh. Plus 2. So this could be danger. Actually, just a warning because it's just attack. I could use these primary danger warning. Use these colors. Unlet +1 red field plus 3, and this is like success danger. Defense kind of works using these 3 colors. So what's the health? 3, 6, 10, 16, including all the navigation character. Say hit here. Here we could say 256 gold pieces. We really have to reuse everything here because it's so little space. Ah, it's wrapping already. I think I'm gonna override some of the margins here. Paddings, I mean. They're a bit too aggressive. Navlink. So what do we have here? These are fine. I mean, we can maybe even go a bit lower. That could work. I think it does work. Nice. This is not just health, but max health. Mm. Implement character mockup. There's quite a few mockups. So only settings left. I mean, which is trivial. I feel like I should put the map inside the card. How would that look like? We have also a description. It's the screen. And then we have main top content. And this is taking care of everything here. That kind of works. I just need to max height 50%. And here the same. And it's overflow hidden too. No, it's overflow auto. Overflow auto. Maybe 60. Maybe 70. Why is that not changing anything? Oh yeah, it's not max height, it's just height. And the rest is the map. It'll be 40%. Yeah, it needs a bit more work. Put mini map into main content. Alright, everyone. I need to jump. That was a quick one. Thanks a lot for tuning in, as always, and see you next time. Goodbye.